So I've been asked to create a quick video of fitting the Jobeky Fast Fit triggers. I've taken the head off, as you can see, and I've taken the bracket off, the fitting for the brass fitting for the air hole, and that just came off easily with a screw nut this size. So to fit the cable first, that's the I think it's an 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch jack. Thread them through the hole down here, pull it up inside, then I'll put the washer on the 1/8 inch socket, and then the nut. Get this started. Sometimes because the nut's so thin it's difficult to get started, so but that's started now. As you can see, just tighten that up. Very tight, it finger tight, it's tight enough. Now this cable is quite long, it really only needs to be about this long, so that there's no touching of the sides or the bottom head or whatever, but that's not the case. So we take the trigger, plug it into the socket on the side of the trigger. Now I like to play in between the two bottom trigger points and have this one at the top. I think that's right. So that will go there. Yep, so that will be about there on the bass drum. And it really is simple actually. Then we just tighten the head back on. Now the bottom, this head, it's a 3-ply. It's a Jobeky, is it Prestige 3-ply. And the top 2 plies tighten up as you tighten the head up as normal. But the bottom one is loose and it stays loose. It tightens up a fraction, but it still stays loose, and it acts as a kind of a dampener between the top 2 layers of the head. I think it's 1, 2, 3. So when we tighten the head up, there's a slight rattle. You can hear the what's it called? Yeah, that's just the nut. There's a slight rattle. Well, that's basically it. I mean, I would normally tighten that up a little bit more for feel. And I'm hitting it quite hard there. So that's it, it's fitted. So now we'll go over to the kit and try it with the old kit. So now I'm over at the kit. That's the drum that I've just done, and you can, especially on these, you can hear a bit of a ring. And as you can tell, I haven't got any rim covers on yet. I ordered some, but they never arrived. I've got a bit of a rattle on this one, but that's just the cable inside. I haven't actually got any gaffer tape. I said I was going to get some gaffer tape, but I haven't got, and tape this up, but I haven't got any tape, so that'll have to wait. And the same for the bass drum. I mean, that dampens down quite a bit. I mean, I think you can do other things with it, like that hasn't got any dampening inside at all, so I could put some dampening on the front head, put some more on the back head, and I could probably put something at the side of the bass drums from underneath that side and from this side to dampen the actual shell itself. Unless I could do that from within. I mean, because there's a trigger, you could basically just fill it with, well, anything soft. I mean, my bass drum is actually quite loud. I mean, it would, if you want to get rid of noise, you can. They're much quieter when they've got dampening in. So they can be made quieter. And of course, if I switch everything on, I'll play it with the mic still on. I've got the mic on. I'll leave that on. Just kick up Cubase. Come along, old chap. Yeah, I think that's just the TD27. And that's basically it. That's what you get. So I hope that helps. I hope that helps at least some. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Bye for now.